Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for you. A review of the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 12 volts lithium-ion cordless 3/8 in ratchet and 1/4 in impact driver kit. If you're in the market for the best cordless ratchet, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find this review helpful. Now, let's get started. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel 12 volts kit is a powerhouse of a combo, featuring a 3/8 inch ratchet and a 1/4 inch impact driver, both cordless. It comes with batteries, a charger, and a handy bag to keep everything organized. What makes this kit the best in the market? Well, let's take a look at its key features. First, it boasts a brushless motor that delivers a whopping 1,300 lbs of torque and can reach speeds of up to 3,300 rpm. That means it can handle a wide range of tasks with ease. With its 4-mode drive control, you have the flexibility to adjust the tool's performance according to the task at hand. Whether you need high-speed drilling or delicate screwing, this kit has you covered. Users love the lightweight design and ergonomic grip, making it comfortable to use for extended periods without straining your hands. The lithium-ion batteries included in this kit ensure long-lasting power, so you won't have to worry about constantly recharging. Now, let's talk about the price. You can get your hands on this Milwaukee M12 Fuel 12 volts kit for just $219.99 on Amazon. Plus, it's available with free shipping if you're a Prime member. One thing to keep in mind is that this product is designed for use in the US. So if you're purchasing it internationally, you might need an adapter or converter for your outlets and voltage. Let's take a closer look at this kit in action. As you can see, the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Kit is incredibly versatile and can handle a variety of tasks with precision and power. But wait, there's more. If you're interested in expanding your toolkit, Milwaukee offers a range of compatible accessories and tools, like impact protective boots and bit holders. In summary, the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 12 volts lithium-ion cordless 3/8 in ratchet and 1/4 in impact driver kit is undoubtedly the best cordless ratchet on the market. With its impressive features, ergonomic design, and long battery life, it's a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson. That's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.